You know what, I can't believe that I got grounded for life. What can I do right now? I'm going to install malware on my brother Caillou's computer. Ha 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 ha. Okay, now it's time for me to install malware on my brother Caillou's computer, and now I'm getting started from now on. Oh yes, I successfully installed the malware on my brother Caillou laptop. Yes, I did it. I need to get out of here before someone comes.
Okay, since I am back from school, I will going to watch YouTube on my laptop. Oh my gosh, what happened to my computer? Someone installed malware on my computer, and I know who did this. Oh, wait a minute, I know who did this. It was classic Caillou, the one who installing the malware. That's it, I'm calling him right now. This voice is not licensed. Please visit www.kepstrel.com to purchase a license. Classic Caillou, get over here right and www.
What is it, Caillou?
Classic Caillou, how dare you install malware on my computer? You will be reinstalled back to OS on my computer. That's it. You are grounded for life. Go to your room right now.